Hey guys. Okay, so somebody asked how to connect these letters together without actually using a weld or, disrupting the spacing too much. This is a brush script font. It kind of kicks out some of our letters. I just typed in, whereas, because we were missing the W and H, and it was the example that they gave me as well. So again, I'm just kind of like typing in what it is, and I want to show you all how to link these together without actually disrupting the font itself. So this is going to take some design work. It's going to take some node work really to make this kind of look like it flows together. The first thing we've got to do whenever we're manipulating anything, including fonts, is we're going to convert to path. So I just right click and I hit convert to path. Now each one of these is an individual. Make sure when you do that you don't lose things like the insides of the E's or the A's. So what I do is I just kind of highlight these or select them, and I'm going to regroup just those pieces. Same here. Group. And I'm just doing this until I need each one. That way I don't mess things up. Okay. So now I'm going to kind of scroll in here. And we are going to hook the W and the H. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to grab this little node, make it a node, and then I'm going to actually go back here. I'm going to ungroup these because these are what I'm working with. I'm going to make this nodes, and I am going to pull one of these nodes. Hopefully you guys can see this okay. And I'm just going to make a line so that it connects. And really what you're trying to do is, I'm going to go in here. Let me, hold on. Sorry about that. I want to make it an outline so it's a little bit easier to see. There we go. I really want to make sure that this connects, but I want to kind of take this, this whole approach right here that it looks. So it takes just a little bit of manipulation, a little bit of patience. Grab this here. If I'm looking here, I'm going to go, okay, I want this kind of like this. Maybe I'll grab this node here, kind of like this. And it's always got this little rounded edge here. I can click on this one right here, and I'm going to hit S just to smooth that out. So S to smooth. So if we've got a square node, if I hit S, it's going to give me a circle, which is actually going to smooth that out. I'm going to go down here. I'm also going to smooth this one out. So I'm going to click on this little square node. I'm going to hit S to smooth that out as well, just to give me a little more of that look that's similar here. All right. So now I'm going to grab this and I'm going to weld. I'm going to control W. And I've got something, similar, maybe not perfect, maybe not great, but I can always go back in here. I can hit this nodes again and go, okay, I really want this, smooth out a little bit more. Let's give it a little more of a look. And I can just keep playing with that until I get it to look more like the way I want it. Now I can connect it there, or I could even connect it up here at the top if I wanted to. So let me undo all that real quick. All right, I'm going to select all of this again. I'm going to turn it into lines to make it a little easier to see. I come back up here. I'm going to turn this into nodes, and I'm just going to pull one of these nodes over here, maybe two of them, just to kind of get it up there. And then again, I'm going to go right here. I'm going to click this square. I'm going to hit S to smooth it out, just so that it flows a little more like my font does. And then I may pull these guys out. I'm going to hit D and I'm going to delete those. D to delete those. Click on this one, hit S to smooth. Remember, S is to smooth. Maybe give myself this one, S to smooth. And then grab all of this and control W to weld. So a couple of different ways we could do that. It's really about going into these nodes and connecting them. So like, for example, I've got this 4 down here. I'll do one more for you guys because this one will be fairly easy. So I'm going to grab the F, grab my nodes, and really I'm just going to grab this one and drag it over, this one and drag it over, select everything, hit Control W to weld, and now it's connected. And that way when you connect these like this, when you cut them out, you're not losing the W, you're not losing the F, they're all put together pretty well. So I hope that helps someone today.